Welcome back to Absolute Chefing. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this amazing North African breakfast recipe known as the Shakshuka. One interesting thing about this recipe is that this takes only one pan to prepare the whole dish, and this is very hearty and tasty. And for that you need a heavy bottom pan or a cast iron skillet. Once the pan is nice and hot, add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, followed by half of white or red onion diced. Saute it until translucent. Adding a bit of salt to it will make the process faster. Once the onions are done, add 2 cloves of sliced garlic into it. Let it go for another 2 minutes, and then you can add your jalapeno peppers. I've taken 1 whole jalapeno peppers diced as the same size of onions. Saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's time to add the potatoes. I've taken 1 whole potatoes diced into small pieces, a little bit bigger than the onions and the jalapenos. Now you can cover the pan and let the potatoes cook until it's translucent on a low heat. Now that the potatoes are done, let's start adding the spices to it. Add 5 grams of turmeric powder, 15 grams of cumin powder, 10 grams of black pepper, and 10 grams of red chili powder. Now saute the mixture to make sure the spices are cooked enough. It'll take only 1.5 minutes. Now that's done, add 1.5 cup of tomato puree and mix them all well. Add just a seasoning with salt, cover it and let it go again for another 10 minutes on a medium heat. Once the tomatoes are cooked, remove the lid, mix them up, and then it's time to add the eggs. Always crack the eggs in a separate bowl and then you add it into the pan. This can avoid a disaster. And try not to crack the yolk. Once your eggs are in the pan, cover it and let it go again for another 5 minutes. I'll just give it another 5 minutes because I like the yolks runny. If you want to cook more, let it go for a little bit longer. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, remove the cover off the pan. Add some cracked black pepper onto the eggs and some freshly chopped cilantro right on top. Now add some crumbled feta or goat cheese right on top, which is totally optional. Now drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top of it and you're good to go. Now grab your plates, get a good scoop of this delicious breakfast and kickstart your day.